I just came across a YouTube channel that completely blew my mind. The channel is called SpongeBob Hideout, and somehow they've racked up over 139,000 subscribers with only 176 videos. But here's the crazy part. They did it in less than a year. Most of their videos are pulling in hundreds of thousands of views. And get this, one creator in this niche is already making around $2,000 just from ad revenue. That's how powerful this strategy is. So what exactly are they doing? They're taking SpongeBob clips, remixing them with trending sounds, captions, and meme formats, and turning them into viral YouTube shorts that people can't stop sharing. And instead of spending hours editing, I'm gonna show you how I recreated this strategy in just 2 minutes using a brand new AI tool. So if you've been dreaming about starting a faceless channel, this could be the goldmine you've been waiting for. And don't worry if you're starting from scratch. I'll guide you step by step. From how to come up with a channel name and logo, and then how to generate attention-grabbing scripts, how to use AI to create these videos in minutes, and finally, how to monetize fast. Stick around until the end, because I'll also show you the fastest way to start earning from this niche. This video will require a few prompts, and I've already prepared them for you inside a Google Doc, which you can grab from my Telegram channel. And just to give you a quick glimpse of what we're about to create, check out this short demo I made, using the exact same strategy I'm about to walk you through.
Try not to say the same thing as us. I bet you can't beat us. Name something people pretend to love in relationships. Meeting the in-laws. If you said meeting the in-laws, you're out. And honestly, same. Name a career people flex about but secretly regret. If you said lawyer, you're out. Those student loans aren't joking. Name something politicians always promise but never deliver. If you said lower taxes, you're out. And please don't hold your breath. Name a finance hack that's basically a scam. If you said day trading, you're out. Congrats! You just donated to the market. Name a celebrity everyone pretends to hate but secretly Googles at night. If you said Kim Kardashian, you're out. Don't lie, you scrolled her feed yesterday. Name the hardest thing to admit in a breakup. If you said they moved on first, you're out. And yeah, that one stings.
Before we jump into the tutorial, let me show you why the Teza app is completely different from any other AI tool. Teza reviews everyone's pages for free, using real algorithm experts, even if you don't have a subscription. But here's the best part. If you subscribe, you'll get one-on-one guidance from those same experts, with a guarantee you'll make at least $100 to $200. That kind of support is what makes Teza stand out, and it's exactly why I recommend it above the rest. Alright, now it's time to set up our channel. Instead of wasting hours trying to come up with ideas, we'll let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting. I've already prepared a Google document with every single prompt I'll be using in this video. Just copy the very first one, paste it into ChatGPT, and within seconds, you'll have a list of unique channel names to choose from. Pick the one that feels right, and you're good to go. Now that we've got a name, let's create a channel logo. For this, I usually use different tools, but today I'll go with ImageFX. Of course, you can use any image generator you prefer. Simply copy and paste the second prompt from my document, replace the placeholder text with your new channel name, set the aspect ratio to 1:1, and hit generate. Fast forward a bit and boom, your brand new logo is ready. Just pick the version you like best. Next comes the most important part of the process, the script. This is what will make your video go viral. Once again, we'll use ChatGPT with another prompt from the Google Doc. Copy the last prompt, drop it into ChatGPT, and hit enter. Instantly, you'll get spicy, slightly controversial scripts designed to spark debates in the comments. This type of content is engineered to explode in the algorithm, and if the first version doesn't quite hit, just click regenerate for fresh options in seconds. No overthinking here. Now let's create the actual video. For this part, we'll use the same AI tool that saves me hours every week. It's called Teza app. It can produce viral shorts in minutes, and it comes with a wide range of features. The one we'll be using today is built specifically for this niche. Head to the link in the description, sign up, and you'll land on the dashboard. Here you'll see different AI video tools, but for this tutorial, tutorial, we'll stick with this one. Click Generate Video. Start by selecting the characters for your video. I'll go with this one. You can also edit the intro text if you want. This will be narrated at the beginning. I'll leave it as is for now. Then, begin adding your sets. Fill in the fields with the question, the answer, and the spoken answer generated by ChatGPT. You can even add extra text to be narrated during timers, like reminding viewers to subscribe. You can also adjust the difficulty level of the questions. Once you're done, click Add Set. Then repeat the process for all the sets ChatGPT created. It's so much faster than building and editing everything manually. When you've added your questions and answers, click Move Forward. Here, you can customize the subtitle styles. Choose fonts, add shadows, bold effects, or outlines. Then move on to the video section, where you can select a background. To stay safe from copyright issues, the Teza app also lets you pick a green screen background so you can add your own footage later. For now, I'll just go with this option, but you can choose whatever works for you. Finally, click Move Forward again, and then Export Video. Teza will start generating your content, and in just a few minutes, your video is ready. Simply hit download and check it out. That's the video we just created.
Try not to say the same thing as us. I bet you can't beat us. Name something people pretend to love in relationships. Meeting the in-laws. If you said meeting the in-laws, you're out. And honestly, same. Name a career people flex about but secretly regret. If you said lawyer, you're out. Those student loans aren't joking. Name something politicians always promise but never deliver. If you said lower taxes, you're out. And please don't hold your breath. Name a finance hack that's basically a scam. If you said day trading, you're out. Congrats! You just donated to the market. Name a celebrity everyone pretends to hate but secretly Googles at night. If you said Kim Kardashian, you're out. Don't lie, you scrolled her feed yesterday. Name the hardest thing to admit in a breakup. If you said they moved on first, you're out. And yeah, that one stings.
Pretty amazing, right? But before you upload, here's an important tip. Posting videos is just the beginning. If you want maximum results from day one, don't limit yourself to YouTube. Upload the exact same video to TikTok and Instagram Reels too. Same content, no extra work, but you instantly reach new audiences across multiple platforms. And remember, the script prompts I'm giving you are what make your videos stand out from 99% of other creators. They're crafted to hit trending topics and spark engagement. Combine that with strong branding, your channel name, and logo, and you'll start seeing ad revenue faster than you'd expect. So take action now. Grab the Teza app from the link below and download the free Google Doc with all my prompts from my Telegram channel. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, because next week I'm dropping an even crazier AI niche you've never seen before. See you in the next one.